Here I have developed a Power BI report in which I have three slicers and four charts. Now my scenario here is I want, if I have applied any filter here using these slicers, and I want to clear all these slicers with one click, right? Then what I have to do now, just pausing it, if you haven't used any buttons in your reports yet and you don't know how to use it, just go back to my previous tutorial and get it learned. Now just in this scenario we will be using a button, and with that button, if we click on that button, then all these slices will get unapplied, it will be cleared. Now to do that, we will go to our insert tab, buttons, right? Just click on it. Here you will see we have clear all slicers button, right? Just use it, click on it, it will get inserted in your report, right? You can resize it, you can format it the same way that we have already learned in our previous tutorial, the formatting of the slicer or this button, right? Same formatting options are there. Now we will go to this action button and we will see we have one option, clear all slicers, right? So we don't have to do anything in this scenario, we will have to just go to insert tab, we will have to go to buttons, and we have to use clear or slicers option. Now if you just press control and click on this slice with this button, then these slices will get cleared. The second option what you can do is again go to insert tab, go to buttons, and you can use a blank button here, right? You can just replace it in your Power BI desktop, and you can resize it, you can name it, you going to style and turning on the text here, type your text, clear slicers, right? So here in, if you again now go to actions here, turn on this action, and in the action type you can just choose clear all selections here, right? Now if you go to control, if I now just use any of the slicer values, correct, this way. Now if I just go to my second button, press control and click, then my slicers will get cleared. So you can use either the direct button of this, right, clear or slicers type, or you can go with the blank one, and inside the blank one you can turn on the action button and choose the type it as clear all slicers, correct. This way you can just clear all the slicers in one click,